The PPCA Prayer Tower Longkan Shan is dedicated unto the Lord for the blessings of His people and the land on 16th November 2024 by Reverend Dr. Delhu Keho, General Secretary, NBCC. For now, I have chosen and consecrated this house that my name may be there forever. My eyes and my heart will be there for all time. 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 16. Praise the Lord. Can we give a big hand again to the Lord?